Education can be a force for progressive social change. Postgraduate teaching at the Centre for Trust, Peace and Social Relations provides students from all over the world with the tools they need to build peace and to foster human security locally, nationally and internationally. Creative and multidisciplinary master's courses respond to the challenges we face as we strive to build peace in the 21st century. Our flexible approach to blended distance learning means that our students can integrate their studies with their work and their family commitments in a way that works for them. And our combination of residential workshops in Coventry, the UK's city of peace and reconciliation, and online learning appeals in particular to busy practitioners, professionals and policymakers.
Within this course, you're able to build a knowledge base and a context that we use already kind of in active day life, but we don't have the grounding. So we're able to look deeper into the arguments, the constructions, why they're there in the first place, are they still relevant to the daily life in that way? The great thing actually with this degree is that you see it play out in real-time life. So it's not just a traditional university degree where you're studying the theory and then you maybe learn about it later on, but the theory and the practice, they're both combined together.
I've been able to get the exposure to and skills to be able to, participate in forums, take place in some conversations on scholarly conversations and discussions, and be involved also even in my own work.
My classmates are multinational, from around the world, and are prominent leaders in the international arena.
If you're interested in exploring peace, conflict and security with us, if you want to make a difference, we would love to hear from you.